Niaje wadau, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. It has been a minute guys, pole sijakuwa around. Nimekuwa na homa in a such a way singeweza kuongea kwa video. Anyways, we are back again with another interesting video kama kawaida guys. And today we are making these vegetable potatoes. Na kama kawaida tutaanza kwa kuprepare our ingredients that we will be using. So nilianza kwa kukatakata viazi zangu, and since I was the only one who was eating this food, ilikuwa tu natumia viazi 5, around 5 ama 6 hapo, yeah. And before we get started guys, let's go subscribe, watch and share my videos. Kama umekuwa ukiwatch hizi video zangu mwanzo na huja subscribe, what are you waiting? You just support your girl ndio aweze kuwaletea content mingi na content wagwan. So guys, tukamaliza kutengeneza viazi zetu. We are going to use a red capsicum. Ndio hiyo nikaanza kuitengeneza. Unaweza kata in any other shape, si lazima utumie hii yangu. Unaweza kata in cubes, stripes, yoyote tu yenye itakupendeza. And then after there we'll go in with our yellow capsicum. Hizi capsicum zinakuanga tamu guys. Have you ever tried this kind of vegetables zenye unaweka yellow, green and red? Hizi ziukuwa fiti sana in healthy wise, zinaongeza ma vitamins and also kwa taste zinapea food yako taste fulani tamu sana. So tukamaliza red, tukamaliza yellow, ndo hapo tunakatakata green capsicum. Mi hupenda kuprepare everything before I cook, ndio maana sasa tunakatakata vitu zetu before we start cooking guys. Yeah, so go try this recipe and let me know in the comment section, cause hii nayo si uongo, utaipenda. And this onion is optional, si lazima uweke kitunguu, especially kama una roast. Si lazima uweke kitunguu. Watu wengine wana prefer kuweka, wengine they don't add the onion. So in my case nilikuwa nataka kuongeza ndio zikuwe tasty, and I added a garlic also ndio ilete the unique flavor in it. So then on to the next thing, we are going to add our carrots. Pia carrot ni optional, so unaweza weka vegetables zenye unataka, sio lazima zikuwe hizi. Unaweza weka broccoli, unaweza weka zucchini, unaweza weka any kind of vegetable, especially hizo ma broccoli. They are healthy guys. So go try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section, cause hii nayo ili slap. Yeah, once again nimetawaambia you go try this recipe. So I'm done preparing my ingredients. Nitakaranga my onion, and I'll just put 2 tablespoons of oil, and then here comes, hatutangoja kitunguu yetu ikue golden brown. So ikiiva kidogo, you just give it 3 to 5 minutes iive kidogo tu. That's when you go in with your garlic, and remember pia sio lazima uweke garlic, but in my case mi hupenda garlic na huwa naweka karibu kwa every stew, so you can skip it ama utumie. So pia unaipea another 3 minutes ndio you go in with your potatoes. Haya, tukiweka potatoes zetu tutazifunikia ziive kidogo, cause hatutaki kuziweka the same time na the other vegetables, cause zitaiva sana, and we want our vegetable to be somehow crunchy. So tutazikaranga, tukoroge kidogo, and then tuzifunikie zikiwa karibu kuiva. Si unaona like ziko almost kuiva, zimeanza kind of kushika sufuria kidogo. That's when you go in with the other ingredients. So niliongeza my carrots, nikakoroga for 3 minutes. Kidogo tena nikaongeza my green, yellow and red capsicum. Tena nikakoroga kidogo. And then that's when you add your salt na any other spices that you love. In my case niliongeza salt, paprika, and my black pepper. Those are the 3 ingredients that I wanted to be in my vegetables, potatoes. So guys, you can add the spices of your choice, or you can try what I've added in my food. And let me tell you, this is the yummiest food and the easiest food to try. Go try this recipe once again. Hii ni kama nitaikampenia cause this was the best. Unaweza kula asubuhi, lunch, ama unaweza kula dinner. Like, it is the cheapest with the ingredients that are affordable at home. After adding our spices, guys, we are going to give it 5 to 10 minutes tukizikoroga ndio our spices zichanganyane na chakula zenye tunapika and ndio ziive vizuri. So tukazikoroga, as you can see venye tunazikoroga, kila kitu ndio ichanganyane vizuri, and then tutazifunikia ndio hiyo 10 minutes zikuwe zimeiva, kila kitu ikuwe imeiva vizuri. So this recipe took less than 30 minutes and it is the yummiest, easiest, name it. Unaweza ikula any other time, yeah. And go try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. And guys, go subscribe, watch and share. Yeah, tell me what you think this recipe, and also tell me what you think I should have added in this recipe, and also tell me what you think I should cook next. Engage me, kindly tell me something. And thank you so much for the support. I don't take it for granted, sorry. You guys are the best. Nyinyi ndo menifanya nifike hapa, and thank you. Siwezi choka kuambia thank you because you've supported me the best way, yeah. And this is the outcome. Hizi ndio sasa, hivi ndio ziko zikiwa zimeiva, you can see it. Sai zimeiva, zinakaa poa, and I'll just serve and enjoy my meal. And thank you guys. That's it. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and we see you in the next one. I love you guys. Mwah.